Here are 3 tactical ways that you can use to rewrite your code today. Rule 1. Mimic mechanics and not feelings. Look at the most competent man in your office. Do not analyze him for vibes. Copy his physical mechanics. And here are 3 tactics that you can use now. Tactic A is copy the individual behaviors that he does 1 per week. For example, Monday can be his hand placement. Tuesday can be his talking pace. Wednesday can be his posture. Tactic B is record yourself on your phone and talking for 30 seconds. Compare side by side with the footage that you have of him where you took a video or in your brain, and identify one visible mismatch and fix that one thing. And tactic C, your next meeting, set a physical micro goal. For example, it can be you can decide to occupy 30% more space than you normally would with your elbows. Hold that posture for 5 minutes, regardless of how it feels. Once you start copying mechanics, you will notice a pattern that kind of start happening. Most people will talk a lot, but they are incredibly sloppy with the words that they use. This leads to Rule 2. Rule 2 is the definition trap. People use words that they cannot define. This creates confusion. When someone uses a vague term, stop them and force them to define what that term means. Here are 3 tactical steps that you can take now to help you. Tactic A. When you hear a subjective word like nice, respect, or toxic, interrupt them. Ask this specific question. What does that look like in a physical world? And ask them to give you an example. Tactic B. Keep a glossary of confusion in your phone, meaning that words that you're unsure about, write it down later and write one sentence defining how that word will actually be used in your day-to-day reality. And tactic C. Verify understanding. Repeat the definition back to them in your own words. So when you say respect, you mean answering messages within 60 minutes, correct? Wait for them to confirm or deny if that's what they mean, so that you both can have a mutual understanding. Once you start demanding a clear definition from others, your next logical move is to demand the same clarity for yourself. This leads to Rule 3. Rule 3 is audit your source code. Why do you believe what you believe? Did you choose that value, or was it installed by your parents or your teacher? If a belief doesn't serve your current goal, delete it. Here are 3 tactical steps that you can take now. First one, write down 5 limiting beliefs that you have. I am shy. Next to each, list 1 concrete event that proves it and 1 concrete event that contradicts it. This contradiction proves that that code in your reality is false. Tactic B, perform a source audit. For every strong value you hold, ask yourself, who gave me this? Was it your father? Was it your mother? Was it your school? Your religion? If the source of it is not credible to you today, discard that value. And tactic C, run a 30-day opposite experiment. Choose 1 belief that limits you and act as if the opposite belief was true for 1 month. If you believe you are bad at small talk, force a 30-second interaction every single day. Review the data at the end of the month. When you mimic mechanics, force clear definition, and out of your source code, you stop treating your introversion as a curse and start making it a controlled system. Change isn't some mystical thing. It's a series of repeatable steps that you can take today.